would you look at these? How sweet are these little puppy dog slippers? These are a size 5'6". My grandson is almost 2 years old. The things I like most about it is just how soft they are. He thinks they're really fun. He loves to put his slippers on when he comes to Mimi's house. The bottom is this non-slip base, and then these elastic back is really nice because it grows with him. So it kind of kept it on his foot when I first got them for him, and now they stretch open, as they start to fit a little better. So if you're in the market for a pair of slippers for your little person, I would say these are a great value for the money.